The Razer Basilisk V3 Pro bucks the recent trend of lightweight gaming mice by providing an all-inclusive experience. It is a larger and longer mouse than the majority of the competition, measuring 5.11 by 2.96 by 1.67 inches and weighing 3.95 ounces, approximately equivalent to a quarter-pounder. The Razer Basilisk V3 Pro is designed for right-handed users, featuring easy-to-access side controls. The side and thumb rest have a beautifully textured surface that provides excellent grip. The Basilisk V3 Pro features 11 customizable buttons. On top, it has left and right click buttons, a 3-click tilt wheel, center, left, and right, and 2 buttons above the tilt wheel. The button nearest to the tilt wheel toggles between the mouse's tactile and free spin scrolling modes. The left side of the mouse has 2 thumb buttons and an elevated sniper button. The Basilisk V3 Pro's bottom features a power switch for switching between 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, as well as a programmed profile switch button. The mouse also includes medium-sized pure PTFE skates and a round removable puck that can be exchanged for Razer's wireless charging puck. It features Razer's newest Focus Pro 30K optical sensor with a maximum sensitivity of 30,000 dots per inch, a maximum speed of 750 inches per second, and the ability to withstand up to 70 G of acceleration. The Basilisk V3 Pro also includes Razer's 3rd generation optical mouse switches, which are haptic, clicky, and rated for 90 million clicks. The battery life is up to 150 hours on Bluetooth and 110 hours on Razer Hyperspeed Wireless. At a 1000 Hz polling rate, the Hyperpolling Wireless Dongle and Mouse Dock Pro provide up to 32 hours of continuous motion at 8000 Hz. The Razer Basilisk V3 Pro connects to Razer's proprietary Synapse software, which offers various utilities for customizing the controller's polling rate, button configuration, and color scheme.